Testing microphone. Testing microphone. Can you guys hear me?
This is sick. Oh my god. What's up, Travis? Shadu here back again with a brand new video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 best Huawei smartphones to buy in 2020. Now, Huawei is a company that has not only shown their dominance over the last couple of years in this smartphone space, but has also been producing some pretty good spec'd out smartphones. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of the ones I think you should buy for yourself in 2020. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. Intro, baby. Let's go. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Sheju, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make tech reviews and unboxing videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, which I believe you obviously are because you're obviously watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the little post notification bell icon so you will be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you also find yourself enjoying this video at any point in the video, be sure to smash that like button. It goes a long way to tell me that you guys enjoy this type of videos and makes me make more of these types of videos for you guys. And with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. Now, coming in at number 1 on this list is none other than the Huawei X6 Prime 2019. And let's take a quick look at the spec sheet of this device and see exactly what this phone is packing. Now, the Huawei X6 Prime has a 6.09-inch 720 by 1560 display. It has a MediaTek Helio 822 processor and an 8-megapixel front selfie camera and a 13-megapixel rear or back camera, like some of you like to call it. It also has 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. The Huawei X6 Prime also is run on Android 9 Pie and has a pretty decent 3020 mAh battery. Now, the Huawei X6 Prime starts around 40,000 naira, which is equivalent to just a little over $111 in USD. Now, the second phone on this list is one that a lot of you guys must have been expecting, and it is none other than the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro has a 40, a 20 and an 8-megapixel rear camera, while also having a 24-megapixel front selfie camera. This one also has a huge 4200 mAh battery, and it has 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM versions. It also has 128 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage versions too. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is run on Android 9.0 and it has a 6.39-inch 1440 by 3120 display. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro starts at $469, which is roughly around 170,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Now, the third device on this list is what I like to call the OG of Huawei phones, and this is none other than the Huawei P30 Pro. The Huawei P30 Pro has a 6.4-inch OLED 1080 by 2340 display. It has a 40, a 16 and an 8-megapixel rear camera, and it has a 32-megapixel front-facing selfie camera. It also has a 4200 non-removable battery and an under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock features. It has a 64 gig, a 128 gig and a whopping 256 gig built-in internal storage options, and it also has 6 and 8 gigs of RAM options too. The Huawei P30 Pro starts at around $681, which is roughly around 245,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Now, a lot of you guys are wondering, Sheju, you have mentioned 3 amazing smartphones here, but which one of these phones is the best of the best? Which one of these phones will you advise me to get right now if I'm thinking of getting a Huawei phone for myself? And the answer to that question would be, with no doubt, I would advise you to get the Huawei P30 Pro if you have the budget for it. And that's just simply because the Huawei P30 Pro is a powerhouse of a smartphone and is a phone that I know if you buy, you will not have any regrets using. And that's pretty much it for this video. The Huawei P30 Pro is my pick. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Which phone would you have picked out of these 3 smartphones that I just mentioned? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you really enjoyed it. Follow us on our social media platforms at TechTribe1 on Twitter and at TechTribe on Instagram. And make sure you drop a comment before you leave. I'll be waiting to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. And with that being said, I'll see your beautiful faces some other time. Stay safe.